Hello students, once again welcome you all to Narayana live classes and today I am going to discuss the solution for the one more assignment, maths assignment. The chapter we are saying is knowing our numbers dated 23rd June. So for those questions we are going to discuss the assignment solutions now. The first problem is how do we estimate the numbers to nearest thousands by rounding off. In previous class what is in previous what we have saw how to round off to nearest 10 and how to round off to nearest 100. Now we are going to discuss how to round off nearest to thousands. So here also we are dividing into three category, same as that only. Since it is a thousand, we have to consider one digit to three digits. So the numbers 1 to 499. Okay, 1 to 499 was near to 0 than 1000. Okay, compared to 1000, these numbers are near to 0. So we have to round off to 0. Round off to 0. Okay, students? Right. Same as the second point, how you will write? The numbers 501 to 999. 501 to 999 was near to 1000. Was near to 1000 than 0. Okay? So we have to round off to 1000. Okay, students? Clear? Next, the last point already we have known the middle value. The number 500 is equidistance nothing but equal distance from 0 to equal distance for 0 and 1000. For both the number it is an equal distance, but anyhow we will round off to 1000. Clear, students? Now we will discuss the solution for second problem. The first problem we have seen the definition how we are going to round off in the three cases. Here also we are going to round off only with the examples you can say this. The first one 500. So write as rounding off. Rounding off to nearest 1000. Rounding off to nearest 1000. The first one is 505. Okay, students. The number which is greater than 500, so you have to round off to the nearest 1000 means it is 1000. Clear, students? Similarly, 851 also it is greater than 500, so it is also round off to the nearest 1000 means 1000. Next number is what? 2502. 2502. We should consider the ones, tens, hundred. These three places only we should consider. It is 502, which is also greater than 500. So you should round off nearest 1000 means it is 3000. Already here 2000 is there, and again it is one more 1000 you have to round off. It will become 3000. Okay. The next fourth subdivision is what? 5317. Here 3 digits you take 317, which is less than 500. Less than 500 means we will have to round off as 0. So we will get 5000. We get the answer as 5000. And the next one 5902. So here also the 3 digit you are taking is 902, which is greater than 500. Greater than 500 means we will round off it as 6000. Okay, students? Next sixth one is 7379. 7379. Here also the 3 digit is 379, which is less than 500. So it will round off to 7000. Zeros. Okay. Next one 59,993. Should be very careful here. The 3 digit if you are taking is 993, which is greater than 500. So we have to round off to the nearest 1000. Here already it is 59,000. If you round off to nearest 1000, it will become 60,000. Clear, students? If you round off to the nearest 1000, it will become 60,000. The next one, 7,99,531. 7,99,531. Here also the first three digit if you are checking is here it is 531, which is greater than 500. So you have to round up to the nearest 1000. So if you are adding 1 year, it will become 1000. In the sense you will get as 8 lakhs. Yes, no, students? Here it is adding 1 year all zeros. 1 means it will become 10. Again it will become 10. It will become 8 lakhs. Okay? Right. Then the ninth one, 9,31,865. 9,31,865. Again here 865. 865 is greater than 500. So you should add 1,000. So you will get 9,32,000. Okay, here 31,000 is there. Nearest 1000 is 32,000. And the last one is 6,40,738. So here this number also greater than 500. So 1,000 if you are adding, it will become 6,41,000. This is the nearest 1000. Clear, students? Okay, students. Now we will discuss solution for the third problem. Round off to nearest tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 places for the same value they given. Okay, so very clear. If you want to round off to tens, we have to check the ones place. If it is greater than 5, you should round off to nearest 10. So we get 75,850 because 7 is greater than 5. That's why we are rounded to nearest 10. It will become 75,850. Next, for hundreds, you should take the ones and tens, both the places. It is 47, which is less than 50. If it is greater than 50 only, you should round off to nearest 100. Less than 50 means you have to round off to 0. You get 75,800. Clear, students? 75,800. Next, round off to nearest 1000. That's what we are discussing today. You have to check the 3 digits. Ones, tens, hundreds. These 3 places you have to check. Which is 847, which is greater than 500. Greater than 500 means you have to round off to nearest 1000. So it is 75,000 is there. You should take it as 76,000. It is 76,000. Next, round off to nearest 10,000. 10,000 we didn't see, no. Don't think like that. 3 digits. Next, one more digit you should add. You should check 4 digits. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. These 4 you have to check. It is 5,847, which is greater than 5,000. Greater than 5,000 means we have to round off to the nearest 10,000. So it will become 80,000. With the help of this example, you can understand this estimation very easily. Clear, students? Okay, students. Now we will discuss the last problem. Very simple, like maths. Draw an arrow to match each number to its nearest 1000. Okay. So already this one already they given. We all know how to round off to nearest 1000 also. You should check the ones, tens, hundreds, overall the 3 places, last 3 digits. And if it is greater than 500, we will round off to the nearest 1000. If it is below 500, we will round off to 0. If it is exactly 500 also, we will round off to nearest 1000. Okay. Now here you see 827. It is greater than 1000. Sorry, if it is greater than 500, we will round off to nearest 1000. So the answer is 1000. We should make an arrow. Next, 4,708. 708 is greater than 500. So nearest 5,000 you have to round off means it will become 5,000. 3,582. Here also the 3 digit is 582. It is greater than 500. So you will round off to nearest 1000. It will become 4,000. Next, 6,295. This 295 is less than 500. So the nearest 0 you have to round off. It will become 6,000. Clear, students? Similarly, here also we are having 3,076. So the 3 digit here is 76 only we will consider because 076. So it is less than 500. So you have to round up to the nearest 0. It is 3,000. Next, 6,625. Similarly, 625 is greater than 500. So the nearest 1000 is 7,000. Next, 8,454. 454 is less than 500. So if you round up to the nearest 0, it will become 8,000. At last 9,403. This 403 is less than 500. So you have to round up to the nearest zeros. It will become 9,000. I hope it is clear, students. Thank you.